Hi everyone, I'm Axel Ward, and I just wanted to make a smaller and quicker update video. I want to talk about what I learned from my last game jam and what I'm going to be doing next. It's what I think is a pretty drastic change from what I've been doing so far with indie development. In the last game jam, I ended up with a game that I think was really cool. It had a really cool concept and system of movement. I think it was a really unique way to create puzzles. I honestly haven't gotten that much good feedback about a game since I started developing games. Obviously there were some problems. It was not perfect by any means, but I think in terms of potential for having a great game, this is by far the most potential that one of my projects has had. I want to take some time and talk about the things that went well during the game jam. The first thing that I did really well is I got good playtesting done. I made my prototype, implemented a couple levels for it, playtested it very regularly, and then after I had just a couple levels, I sent it to people to playtest it separately from me. I think that playtesting is one of the reasons why I ended up with such a good product at the end of the game jam. And I think that is something that is just completely crucial over pretty much anything else. The other thing that I did really well during the game jam was I gave myself just enough time to give my brain a break. I would, instead of just programming nonstop the entire time, I would program for a couple hours and then hang out with my dog or something like that. And then once it was closer to the crunch time, I would program for a couple hours. Then I would take a couple hours, do some 3D modeling and some voice recording, that kind of stuff. And I think that helped me have the brain capacity that I needed to do things correctly the first time instead of doing them incorrectly the first time and then having to go back and do them again. Overall, I think it all went really well. I'm super stoked with the result, and I'm very excited to continue development on it. Yeah, I'm going to be continuing working on South is Down. So yeah, I think what I have going is really cool. I've been doing some planning today. The next couple weeks are going to be pre-production stuff. I really want to make sure I have a really solid plan for how to develop the game. I think that'll improve the time frame of the project massively. I'm going to try and get weekly videos out on the development progress now that I have a focused project that I'm really excited about. And we will see how it goes over the next couple months. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next week for the very first South is Down devlog.